Hello everyone, this is Reggie, the washer dryer repair nerd. Got a Whirlpool dishwasher here. Got it flipped on its side, showing you guys all the guts. There's your motor here, and then this is your drain pump. Just a quick video on how to check your drain pump. If it's not pumping out, or you think it might be debris in there, this is one thing you can check. First, you want to check your power lines. This is the power that goes to the pump. Be sure they're not burned out, or sometimes those be burned out and you won't get nothing coming to the pump. But if you can hear the pump making noise, but it's not pushing any water out, check inside the machine obviously, but also this is how you take the pump off. So in the back here is see a little plastic piece there. You put your screwdriver in there. Sorry for the camera work. Screwdriver in there, push down, and then twist. So I'm trying to do this with holding the camera and at the same time, so hang on. Alright, here we go. So push down and then twist counterclockwise, and bam, pump comes off. You look down there, and this one looks pretty good. You look down there for any debris, and you can check your fan blade by simply turning it, and if it should have like a little bounce to it. Watch. It may not come across well on the camera, but you feel a small resistance as you turn it, and it'll kind of bounce. Then that means it's good. But if it just turns freely and with no resistance whatsoever at any point, then you might have a broken impaler. And this basically that fan, the impaler, pushes the water out. All right, any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks.